Hi, my name is Colin Kilbane, and I'm going to show you how to make a small volcano. Very simply, out of stuff from your kitchen. Okay, first thing you need is your volcano. Now, I'm using a little flask here, but you can use a pop bottle, one of those little pop bottles, anything that's got a narrow mouth on it. That'll help out. Now, I've got a little cake pan here, just to catch our lava, so we don't make too big of a mess. Now, our lava, let's make our lava. I've got vinegar in here, but it doesn't look much like lava, does it? I'm going to add a couple drops of red food coloring. Put the cap on. There we go. Now we've got lava. I've got a little funnel. You don't have to have one, but it makes it work. Got baking soda here. I'm going to put several scoops of baking soda into my volcano. There's two big ones. Let's do one more. Now it's time to add my favorite secret ingredient, which is dish soap. A couple drops of dish soap. Give it a little swirl. Mix it in. And now we're ready to make our volcano erupt. I'm going to get a really good squirt of lava in there. There we go. Now, if you build the volcano, you can put sand or paper mache or foam around your flask or your bottle and make a real volcano. Now, this one is great for small children because we just have baking soda and vinegar. There's no hot water. There's no complicated setup. There's fewer things to go wrong. And you can keep on adding until you're out of baking soda. So it works great with groups of children, because each of them can put a squirt of lava in. And there we have it. That's how to make a small volcano.